100% free. Absolutely no payment for entry. This is Ocho Rios.
Yeah man, welcome to Jamaica. The sun has shine so bright and clear. Island Max showing the beauty right here. The white sand beaches, the water so blue. Come feel the culture, it running right through. Amazing people with a smile on them face. The lush green hills in this blessed place. Them show the whole world the land where we love. A gift from the heavens high up above. Island Max showcasing Jamaica. Island Max showcasing Jamaica.
Today we're here in St. Anne's Bay in St. Anne, Jamaica, and we're gonna make our way into Ocho Rios. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is Island Max. We're showing you the beauty of Jamaica, one location at a time. This is St. Anne's Bay, early in the morning. It's on a weekend, person's busy trying to get their shopping done before they go cook them Sunday dinner. Yes, that's the police station straight across the road there, and we're gonna make the left turn. Police station need a little TLC. Even the vehicles need a little TLC as well. But this is what it looks like here. This is Bravo Street. Bravo Street. And we're gonna make our way onto the highway and into Ocho Rios. Let's go. We're gonna make our exit now onto the highway. Red light catch us here. Let me know who's watching the video and where you're watching from. We're gonna head out on the road. Alright, we have the green light, let's go. Alright, Roxborough Beach Spa. We're in the Negro River area. Negro River area. Cool Oasis rest stop is on the right. You can get your fruits in this area, your watermelon, your jackfruit. When last you eat a piece of jackfruit? You can get it in this area also. Going straight into Ocho Rios. See apples, OTAT apples, that's Jamaica apples. Jamaican apples you can get right here. Alright, so we're in the St. Anne's Great River area. For sale on the left is Jacksall Estate. Who remember the view that we had of Jacksall Estate when we were on top of the Tropics apartment complex, or luxury apartment complex. Alright, so the Jacksall Plaza is over there. On the left, Courts is there. You have your Knutsford Express. You have ATM machines over there as well. KFC, Pizza Hut, Starbucks. All of them are over on the left. Lots for sale in this area as well. You can call 972-2070 and the area code is 1876. if you're interested in buying lots here. Bikers up and about. Alright, so Draxall Auto on the left there. Top Tier Plaza on the right. Alright, so see they're building the boat complex here. Boat 2 complex on the right. The boat 1 complex is on the left. More development coming to St. Ann. And we turned on the left here to go to Tropics. Right here we turned and we went over to Tropics. And we did that video there. So ensure that you're checking out all our videos on the channel. Don't want you to be left out. We're in the Greenwich Park area. Alright, so Sandals, Dunn's River is on the left. Even though Dunn's River is further down the road, but they give it the name Sandals, Dunn's River. Lovely marketing strategy. We're in Miami Bay. Miami Bay. Alright, so if we went right around the roundabout and continued, that would have carried us onto the North-South Highway, Edward Siaga Highway. I heard they raised the toll rates just recently. The Miami Bay water wheel is on the right. These walls going up, the Chinese dominate this area. They were given land out here, large piece of land in return for the highway that they built. So they built a development out here called the Emerald. Rasta, the Emerald. See it over there on your right? Beautiful, beautiful gated community, luxurious, the Emerald Serenity. They have townhouses, detached homes, and so they're doing more development. I mean, they're fixing up the front there. Alright, so we're in the Pearly Beach area. Pearly Beach on the left. Pearly Beach was used as another parking spot for persons attending Reggae Some Fest. See it here, park and ride at Pearly Beach. Driving now under this beautiful red Ponciana tree. And we're going to be passing where Dunn's River is. The world famous Dunn's River falls we make our way into Ocho Rios. So we're in the Dunn River area. Here's a sign saying, "Welcome to Ocho Rios." We're officially in Ocho Rios. Alright, so Dunn River Falls is on the right. If you turn right, that carry to the falls. A little river is right here. You can catch your fresh water right there. Dolphin Cove is on the left. Gonna be passing where Little Dunn River is. Mystic Mountain, located on the right. Lovely adventure park. So on the left is where you have Little Dunn River. Right in this area, right here. So for those who are asking me, right here on the left is where you have Little Dunn River. This is the beach right beside Little Dunn River here. The sign there, 100% free, absolutely no payment for entry. Blessings. This is Ocho Rios. We're in the town of Ocho Rios. So the lovely painting there. Milford Road is on the right. Lovely, lovely town. Graham Street on the right. So we are on Main Street. Burger King on the right there as well. When next are you coming to Ocho Rios? Let me know in the comment section. The craft market on the left. Rastafari House of Cannabis on the left. Bob Marley. Yeah man. Everything you need is in Ocho Rios. Sego Palm Hotel is on the right. Sego Palm Hotel. It's a Sunday, so not much persons are out and about. like during the week. This is what it looks like. Jack Ruby Avenue on the left. What's happening with the road here? Is this a new design for the road? What is this? Come on, Jamaica, man. What's happening here? Look like they're gonna do some repairs here, but first, I see they do the road like this. When next are you coming to this town? Let me know. Let me know who's watching, where you're watching from. Subscribe to the channel as we grow this movement, showing you the beauty of Jamaica, one location at a time. Chimney Bar and Grill on the right. A lot of them are closed on a Sunday. So bear that in mind if you're going to travel to OCHO Rios on a Sunday. OCHO Rios. Of course, Hibiscus Lodge, Almond Tree Resort is on the left. I stayed at that place once. Alright, Roman Catholic Church right here on the left. So the Roman Catholic Church is right here. And we're back on the road, this time the opposite direction. This is what OCHO Rios looks like. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is Island Max. We're showing you the beauty of Jamaica, one location at a time. We've successfully made it straight into OCHO Rios. I'll see you in the next video. I'll catch you in the next video. So tap on the video you're now seeing on your screen. Until then, one love.